Hey, good morning. I'm having breakfast on clifftops, Mt LeConte. Won't you join me on today's hike? Let's go hiking. Alright, today I'm hiking Alum Cave Trail. Kind of got the idea from my good friend Adam Williamson. I'm going to hike and record this video in reverse order. So I'm at cliff tops on top of Mt LeConte, and I'm going to record the route down. So it's starting at the finale and ending at the beginning, if that makes sense. All right, spent about an hour at LeConte, working my way down. Right here is the infamous Hallelujah turn, or Hallelujah corner. So when you see that coming up, it's like hallelujah. One reason why I'm filming this in reverse today is because when I started out this morning, it was dark. It's really hard to shoot a film or any video when it's dark outside. So anyway, that's why we're doing it in reverse. Oh, and also, like, I always pack a long sleeve shirt. I know it's middle of June, 90-something degrees, crazy humidity, but at this altitude and sweating coming up, you'll be cold. The most photographed spot on the trail is right here. This trail also has cabling because the surface is unsteady and uneven. It's been almost an hour since I left the summit up there, and I swear I've stopped to talk to people that have recognized me probably 20-30 times. But that's okay, because I feel like that if I can encourage at least one person to come out here and hike, just one, then I'm doing what I set out to do. There's absolutely no reason that anyone can't come out here and hike these trails. If I can do it, you can do it. I've seen a lot of familiar faces, whether it's through Instagram, my YouTube, or hiking the Smokies. Stay positive, y'all. This is Alum Cave at 10 after 10 a.m. Hello. Hey.
I'm sorry if that's harsh, but
This area right down here is called Inspiration Point. Get some video from there. Might be able to see the eye of the needle. There were so many people back there at Arch Rock, there was no way I could film it. It's insane. But I'm past that now. Been on the trail since the top, hour and 10 minutes. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the reverse video, the reverse hike. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and follow along on my crazy adventures. Got some good stuff coming up. Also click that bell notification so that you don't miss anything. Alright, well, let's finish this hike. Alright, right here is the final bridge, the final farewell. See you later on the next adventure.